In today's video, we're going to talk about IBB. We're actually looking at a daily chart here, and we did have a recent setup that included time and price. Now the timing we definitely use to give us a heads up as far as potential reversals. So for example, if a market is trading straight down into a cluster of timing cycles, like we were here between the 30th and June 1st, then we look for a possible reversal of the decline back to an up move. Okay, so that, the timing cycles, along with the fact that we did have some price support and a little bit of a zigzag pattern here, we had reason to look at the buy side in IBB. Now, if this is a more important low, which we don't know, we just knew that we had time and price at this last low, but if it's more important, then the upside potential is going to be to the 1272 extension. Now we don't always make targets, but we do shoot for them. So that's what I would potentially be looking for as long as this is a more important low. But what's going to tell us that that's a more important low? Well, number one, it needs to hold above it, but number two, it also needs to clear some important hurdles. And if it doesn't start clearing these hurdles on the way up, you do want to ratchet up stops, and some of you might also just want to look at a short against this area, for example, if price can't clear it and if there is a sell trigger. Now, don't take anything that I'm talking about and use it unless you know how you're supposed to use my work. So I would highly suggest that you go to the Start Here section on my site, download the trading plan information and all that good stuff before you actually look at anything. But here's the next immediate decision, and it comes in at 292.25 to 293.89. It includes 100% of these couple of prior rally swings and a 618 retracement of one of the smaller swings. So that's your next immediate decision in IBB. If we can actually push through this resistance, then that increases the odds for continued rally and potentially, you know, a move to new highs. Okay, will it happen? I don't know. I just know where the levels are that you can define the risk against.